Hi, welcome to AIDAN Piers, the original home of the car search, located in Knutsford in the heart of Cheshire, where our priority is to ensure we remain at the top of your list when you think about buying your next vehicle by ensuring that with every transaction we give you a greater use value than the cash value we receive. Hi, thank you for visiting AIDAN Piers, where we will take a visual tour of our 2014 Lotus Evora 3.5S V6 Sport Racer 4 IPS 2-door. Finished in pewter grey with gloss black detailing on the roof, sills, splitter and diffuser, with forged alloy wheels also in black. Full black heated leather seats with contrast red stitching. The Sport Racer model benefits from the Sports and Tech packs. The Sport pack gives a sharper throttle response, sportier traction control settings and cross-drilled brake discs. The Tech pack adds upgraded stereo, touchscreen display, Bluetooth, cruise control, parking sensors and 2+2 seating. The S-Ignition indicates it is supercharged, giving a 0 to 60 time of 4.5 seconds, a top speed of 167 miles per hour, with miles per gallon indicated at 40.8 extra urban, 19.6 urban and a combined of 29.3 miles per gallon. This vehicle has covered 17,697 miles and has a full service history, with the major service incorporating the V-belt and the gearbox oil change completed by the main dealer in March 2022 at 15,989 miles. There are two former keepers on the V5 and a clear HPI and National Mileage Register report confirming there is no financial, interest, previous insurance, write-off claim or mileage inconsistencies. Thanks for watching. Please like and comment, and if you subscribe you will see our videos before the vehicles hit the advert. There is a link in the description below straight to our website and one to the link of pictures containing everything you need to know about this car. Thanks again. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Drop a comment down below, hit like and subscribe, and if you want to get future videos before the vehicles hit an advert, click the notifications button. A link below shows the vehicle in full detail, and you can see other vehicles in our website also linked below. Please share the video with friends, and when buying your next vehicle keep in mind our strict buying policy. If it isn't written, it isn't true, and if it's written, read it. If you need any help or advice, pop your question below and I'll be happy to assist. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.